So this is going to be toned out in a little less than a minute. SVA 218, I believe this is, until 8 o'clock. For all of Massachusetts west of Boston, Hartford and Talon counties, Connecticut, part of southern New Hampshire, York County, Maine, Windham County, Vermont, no Rhode Island County, surprisingly. It's time.
Waves around 2 feet.
Should be in just a few seconds now.
Mostly cloudy with showers and numerous thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may
At 3. At Manchester, mostly sunny. Temperature 78. Wind southwest at 6.
There we go.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 218, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: York, Maine, and the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Cheshire, Hillsborough, Maryland, Waltham, Stratford, and Suffolk, Massachusetts, Franklin, area, and Windham. While severe weather may not be imminent, severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including strong and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While
That counts, I heard it.
later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the
Alright.
recreation forecast for Lake Winnipesaukee. West of today, south winds around 5 miles per hour, increasing to northwest around 15 miles per hour this afternoon. Waves around 2 feet. Mostly sunny with isolated showers late this morning, then mostly cloudy with showers and numerous thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds, small hail, and heavy rainfall this afternoon.
Hell yeah. Oh, what the hell?
46 degrees. Tonight,
Oh, this didn't go off.
waves around 1 foot. Cloudy.
That sucks. Well, I'll show you what did go off. 521 went off. These guys here went off. 784-200 went. 253 went. So that's pretty cool. First watch on this radio. HH went. Version 1 did not go off, unfortunately. That sucks.
Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight.
Pretty good signal, too. That stinks. 12-993 went. And the 522. I hope the tuner on the 522, this 522, isn't giving out. It sounds kind of like it.
Winds around 15 miles.
You can hear it like when you hit the weather button. So hopefully that's not giving out. Cobra went off. Haven't seen this guy in a while, huh? No less for a watch. Motorcycle. 519 went. The tuner on this I think is also giving out.
575. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.
But it's still activating, so I'm going to keep it in service. Look at this guy. First watch on the 1150. For severe alert also.
I don't want your freaking sugar.
And for those who are wondering where the hell the CNGN is, that is being shipped down to Mr. Weather Radio Guru in North Carolina for him to patch it up for me and replace it, quote unquote, with something much more special, so stay tuned for that. Look at this. Hello, I love. It's been a minute.
The following...
Fucking helicopter signal. I suppose I'll show that in the 400 off relatively at the same time. I can't really keep it in frame. The 400 went. This is on WXL 3. No surprise there. R500 went. Speaking of helicopter sound. Zone guard. No surprise there. Big surprise, this guy didn't go off.
Weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That one's kind of shocking. But back to no surprises. This guy went. I'm just gonna go ahead. You know what? I haven't done it since I got this radio. It's 9 years ago now. 10 years, actually. Fine. I did it. Okay, I did it. Cat's out of the bag. And then this didn't go, which kind of sucks. I don't know what is going on with the reception here.
In Portsmouth, partly sunny, the temperature was 76.
That should be better. I'll find a place to plug that in eventually. And then this guy went off. Sweet. So I have a final at 6:30, and I gotta leave here at 4 o'clock to go up and to drive up to Lowell. So this should be a fun, interesting day.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cheshire, or near Pittsfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Conway, Holly,
Source,
Buckland,
radar
Montague,
indicated.
Greenfield, Cummington,
Hail
Lighton,
damage to vehicles is
Vermont, Deerfield,
Wind damage to trees
Rowe,
and power
Goshen,
lines.
Jill, and
Locations impacted include Plainfield, Coleraine, Conway, Hawley, Buckland, Montague, Greenfield, Cummington, Lighton, Ashfield, Charlemont, Deerfield, Shelburne, Heath, Rowe, Goshen, Jill, and Worthington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following county: Franklin, Massachusetts. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Packmonadnock and Peterborough, New Hampshire. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the WNG 575 listening area, severe thunderstorm watch number 218 has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Middlesex, and Worcester. In the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Cheshire, Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, Stratford and Sullivan, and Windham, Vermont. The 1 p.m. weather observations across New England. At Portland, partly sunny 52. Freiburg, light rain 70. Wiscasset, light rain 62.
Oh my God.
Partly sunny 72. Bangor was partly sunny and 68. And in terribly cloudy 65. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth reported partly sunny the temperature.
Nice. First warning of the day.
The National Weather Service in Green has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles. Waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts from 25 to 40 nautical miles until 3 p.m.
At 2:03
3 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Hampton, moving northeast at 35 miles. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Hampton and York. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Franklin County in western Massachusetts.
This didn't even get it, did it?
4:45 p.m. At 1:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cheshire or near Pittsfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
I don't know what the hell happened to the reception at the start there, but
Wind damage to
that's a WNG 575 only alert. KCZ40 is still offline. Cool. York and Rockingham. I fucking knew it.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central York County in southwestern Maine, east central Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire until 3 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hampton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Showers likely with miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Vehicles is expected.
No shot.
Damage to roofs.
WXJ39 is coming in at 40. Fuck.
Locations impacted include Northampton, Exeter, Hampton, Newcastle, Kensington, Hampton Falls, Cary, Stratham.
Time to whip out this bad boy.
Portsmouth, Greenland, Rye, Newington, Newfields, York, Brentwood, Southampton, and Elliott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: York, Maine, and Rockingham, New Hampshire.
Days.
Thunderstorm watch number 218.
Gather around
until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: York, Maine, and the following counties in New
Shop
Hampshire,
all modern and store.
Cheshire, Hillsdale, Merrimack, Rockingham, Stratford, and Sullivan, and the following counties in Massachusetts:
Greenland, Rye, Newington, Newfields, York, Brentwood, Southampton, and Elliott.
Severe thunderstorm.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Including
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: York,
may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio,
meter's life.
or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central York County in southwestern Maine, east central Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire until 3 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hampton, northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source.
Oh.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central York County in southwestern Maine.
Reverend Hyundai of some rep. His best. You don't. To be you. With Austin. I think. I think. But dental health care?
Damage issued until 3 p.m. for the following county: York, Maine, and Rockingham, New Hampshire.
Alright, good to know. 98.9 does Rockingham.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts.
Moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
At 2:35
Hazards
p.m.,
include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
Oregon, 9 miles
Hail damage.
southwest of Greenfield, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Warwick, Irving, Sunderland, Buckland, Whately, Orange, Templeton, Wendell, Athol, Northfield, Deerfield, Jill, Conway, Royalston, Montague, Greenfield, Bernardston, Phillipston, Leverett, and Leiden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin and Worcester. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect.
I wonder.
For the WNG 57
Do any stations do SVRs for Worcester? I doubt it.
Absolutely. Dude, kids, I mean, dirty.
This station just went. I heard EAS tones.
Maybe say
91.1. I gotta keep that in mind.
we'll be back in a minute with more of Wait, Don't Tell Me from NPR.
Good afternoon, I'm Sharon. Insiders within our
Yeah, I figured. The hell station was that again? That like just was it 91.1? Whatever.
Storm warning for south central York County in southwestern Maine, central Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire until 3 p.m.
So there is a station that I barely am able to get that does do SVRs, it looks like, for Massachusetts. Because no other Massachusetts station, I think, does anything unless it is a tornado warning, Amber Alert, or a flash flood warning. So that's cool to see.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Franklin County in western
Boy, I sure love
Massachusetts
static.
until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Montague, or 8 miles southeast of Greenfield, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Because that fucking light inhibition.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source:
Wendell, New Salem, Athol, Northfield, Deerfield, Jill, Royalston, Shutesbury.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Warwick, Irving, Sunderland, Orange, Templeton, Wendell, New Salem, 35, Northfield, Deerfield,
I got it.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Mountain View, 15 miles southeast of Greenfield, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. And moved to an extended room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Several damaged to trees and power lines. Locations of impact include Laurel, Irving, Sunderland, Orange. The National Weather Service in Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Chester County in southern New Hampshire until 3:45 p.m. At 3:05 p.m.,
that's Van
a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Winchester, or 22 miles south of Keene, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
Whatever.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Includes the following counties: Tolland, Connecticut, and the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, Middlesex, and Worcester, and the following counties in New Hampshire: Chester and Hillsborough. Remember, severe thunderstorm.
Roxbury, Nelson, Shern, Peterborough, New Ipswich, and Keene. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m.
I think I missed the WXL93 relay because they're so fucking quick.
To know a weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the official
Warning for southern Chester County in southern New Hampshire until 3:45 class equipment and on 3:05 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located.
Let's see if anyone relates for Cheshire.
Or 22 miles south of Keene, moving northeast at 45 miles.
God hasn't taken us home yet.
Right.
Water. Now.
Wait.
Forward.
They're gone.
Park?
19th century, early 20th. Amazing.
I think that's a no.
We're American.
No.
Alright, so a lot just went on there because of all the fucking static, because that goddamn light in the basement has been turned on. Fucking hate it. So a lot just went on, so what I think just happened was WXL93, WNG575 ran in for that Massachusetts storm. I got the 91.1 relay. Doubleheader, Cheshire County. I missed the WXL93 relay because they fucking say everything so fucking quick, like too quick, because they leave out all the information in their products. Fuck Norton for that. And I think that guy over there activated on EOM tones by mistake. So I think that's my philosophy of what just went down, and that's what I'm gonna count.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Norfolk to near Litchfield to 6 miles west of Ridgefield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour in gusts and nickel-sized hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Enfield, Suffield, Simsbury, Tolland, Windsor, Southwick, Rocky Hill, Westfield, Newington, South Windsor, Granby, East Granby, New Britain, Bristol, Burlington, West Hartford, Southington, Plainville, Wethersfield, and Bloomfield.
I wonder. I do indeed wonder. Oh well. So I figured out that 91.1 is actually UMass Amherst's radio station. And I'm assuming because of just the way that I could hear the broadcast through their station, I'm assuming their monitor is a WXM68 out of... what's it called? WXM68 out of Leiden. So, yeah.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Hamden County in western Massachusetts, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was... Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
May I?
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Holyoke, New Braintree, Ludlow, Belts, Earthtown, Westfield, South Hadley, Granby, Hardwick, North Brookfield, Barry, Chicopee, Spencer, Oakham, Southampton, Ware, Amherst, West Brookfield, Hadley, Pelham, and East Hampton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin and Worcester. This is no... The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Windham County in northern Connecticut, Collin County in northern Connecticut, central Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hamden County in western Massachusetts, until 4:45 p.m. Extending from near Chicopee to near Somers to near Southington, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazards include 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Millbury, Pollen, Stafford, Wales, Ashford, Ellington, Rocky Hill, Woodstock, Newington, South Windsor, Sturbridge, Munson, Thompson, Plainville, Glastonbury, Wethersfield, Somers, Palm Frick, Berlin, and East Hartford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, until 4:45
Goldilocks
p.m.
of FMs.
At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Milford, Oregon, 7 miles southwest of Merrimack, moving northeast at 45 miles per 7 miles southwest of Merrimack, moving northeast at... Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage. Siding and trees. Expect wind depth and trees. Locations impacted include Windham, Atkinson, Nashua, Derry, Merrimack, Salem, Milford, Hudson, Litchfield, Auburn, Wilton, Brookline, Londonderry, Mason, Amherst, Manchester, Bedford, Hollis, Mount Vernon, and Mount Vernon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The thunderstorm was located over Milford, Oregon, 7 miles southwest of Merrimack, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hillsborough, Hazard, 60 to vehicles is expected. Expect little damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wyndham, Atkinson, Nice Rock, Hurst, Manchester, Bedford, Hollis, Mount Vernon, and Mount Vernon. For your protection. 45 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Merrimack, and Rockingham.
The National Weather Service in Grayling has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire until 4:45 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Milford, Oregon, 7 miles southwest of Merrimack, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect little damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wyndham, Atkinson, Nice Rock, Derry, Merrimack, Salem, Milford, Hudson, Litchfield, Auburn, Wilton, Brookline, Londonderry, Mason, Amherst, Manchester, Bedford, Hollis, Mount Vernon, and Mount Vernon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
Oh, I got cut off.
Until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Merrimack, and Rockingham.
The National Weather Service in Grayling has issued a special marine warning for Casco Bay, coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles, coastal waters from Port Clyde, Maine to Cape Elizabeth, Maine out 25 nautical miles until 5:30 p.m. It hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Old Orchard Beach, Cape Elizabeth, Harpswell, Kennebunkport, York, Wells, and Portland. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Windham County in northern Connecticut, Collin County in northern Connecticut, east central Hartford County in northern Connecticut, south central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampden County in western Massachusetts, until and nickel-sized hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include
Fast now.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
Alright, we're under one now. Cool.
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield,
Little section Worcester.
Willimantic. To an interior Massachusetts, central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oops, sorry.
I could have shifted my car.
I got it. It's fine. I apologize. Put that down there.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 5:30 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Oakham, or 15 miles west of Worcester, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Leominster, Northborough, Sudbury, Carlisle, Stowe, Acton, Hardwick, Shirley, Ayr, Lincoln, Westford, Princeton, Berlin, Rutland, Hudson, Barry, Lunenburg, Clinton, Groton, and Boxborough. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Middlesex and Worcester. This is no weather.
What the hell was that?
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles until 6:15 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northwest of Portsmouth to 11 nautical miles, west of Newburyport to 19 nautical miles, west of Rowley, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the mouth of the Merrimack River, Hampton, York, and Portsmouth. The severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rockingham.
So if this is for us, I would assume this is the line behind us? I have no idea. We'll find out.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Windham County in northern Connecticut, western Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, eastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fitchburg to near Berlin to Webster, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Wind gusts. Expects damage. Impact. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sudbury, Woburn, Belmont, Lynn, Grafton, Cambridge, Stowe, Acton, Dedham, Hopeeville, Shirley, Ayr, Lincoln, Arlington, Methuen, Boston, Westford, Needham, Hudson, and Harleston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Essex, Middlesex, and Worcester. This is NOAA. National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, north central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, eastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Methuen into Wilmington to New U.S. Include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Locations intended include Topsfield, Swampscott. Reported. At 5:35 p.m., a wind gust of 52 miles per hour was reported at Bedford-Hanscom Field Airport. Impact. Swampscott, Woburn, Belmont, Lynn, Everett, Cambridge, Lexington, Waltham, Beverly, Salisbury, Newburyport, Dracut, Ipswich, North Reading, Chelsea, Wilmington, Lincoln, Arlington, and Georgetown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Essex and Middlesex. This is no. Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Boston Harbor, coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 17 nautical miles west of Rowley to 8 nautical miles northwest of Revere to 8 nautical miles southwest of Boston, moving east at 45 knots. Hazards include wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Eastern Point, Massachusetts, the coastal waters east of Cape Ann, Boston Light, Mass Bay buoy 44,029, Stellwagen Bank, Sandy Bay, Marblehead Neck, God Sound, the coastal waters east of Boston Harbor, Minute Light, Boston Harbor, Beverly Harbor, Boston buoy 44,013, Ipswich Bay, Thatcher Island, Jeffreys Ledge buoy 44,098, Quincy Harbor, Essex Bay, Plum Island, and Situate Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and